Hi everyone, it's October, it's Craft Gin October Unboxing Edition. Coming up for Halloween, let's see what we got this month. So, let's get into it. October's Craft Gin Club. Much anticipated delivery came just a couple of days ago. We've been waiting and waiting patiently for it to come through. There's been an awful lot of hype around this box. It's £65 worth of goodies in this particular box for the price of £40 for your monthly subscription to the Craft Gin Club. You can take it out quarterly as well. Within our link below there is a link for £16 off your first box should you choose to take up the Craft Gin Club. So let's get into it. First of all, we'll have a look at some of the nibbles and bites that you get with it. We'll have a look at the mixers and the actual Craft Gin cocktail mix that they give with it as well. So in this particular one, we'll have a look at the nibbles first. So we have 2 packets of nibnibs. Where do you nibble yours? So the finest Pesto Mini Breadsticks, baked in Yorkshire. That might be a wee clue there, baked in Yorkshire. We have a Crispbread sourdough from Peter's Yard, which was the 2015 Great Taste Award. We have a chocolate biscuits Baileys kind, so a little bit of a twist on maybe the ones that we're used to at the supermarkets, the chocolate biscuits, but these ones have got a Baileys twist to it, which I'm sure will be absolutely lovely. And again, on the Yorkshire theme, we have Yorkshire Crisps Chardonnay Wine Vinegar. So a couple of Yorkshire things in there, which might give us a clue to this particular gin. The garnishes in this month that we have here, which you pop into your drink. So in here looks like we have some orange and peppercorns. So orange and black peppercorn garnish. Now on to the actual drinks that you get with the box. This all comes in the one box. We have a small bottle of Angosturi orange bitters. So maybe not your normal normal Angosturi that you get. This is the orange version of it. So this is I think this is very small. Can't quite see what size that is, but it is a taster of it. It says it makes 2 drinks on there. We have the Gunner Muscovite lemonade and mint juice, which is nice. I've never came across this before, so I'm not entirely sure where this originates from or where they've got this. I'm pretty sure it's not Yorkshire based, but I could be wrong. And the Gusto Organic Sicilian Blood Orange Juice bursting with botanics. So this will most likely be for the cocktail of the month, which will be probably Halloween orientated. Then we have our tonics. So Merchant's Hearts tonics, very nice tonics that have came with this box. So we have tonic water with a hint of pink peppercorn and tonic water with a hint of floral aromatics. So you get 2 bottles of tonic with this month's box. And finally the Craft Gin Club syrup, which comes with it. So this is the cocktail mixer, which is called Full Moon Fizz, and looks to be concentrated lemon and lime juice with concentrated fruit juice of strawberry, raspberry, cranberry, blackberry and blueberries. So obviously a red there. Again, October, going on a little bit of the Halloween mix with everything that we've got here. Now the moment we've all been waiting for, as I say, this has been a highly anticipated box. There's been a lot of conversations online about what it could be, where it came from. We've obviously opened up the box so we know what it is so far, and I am really pleased to say that this month's box is from Whitby Gin. So this is a Craft Gin Club exclusive, so you can only get it from the Craft Gin Club. This is the Whitby Gin. We are over the moon that Whitby have created this for the Craft Gin Club. We met the makers of Whitby Gin back in early March time at a gin festival just before lockdown, and we were blown away by their original gin, their London gin and their Old Tom. We actually ended up buying a bottle and a couple of very nice glasses off them while we were there, so we'll show them as well in a future video. But they've just recently changed their bottle design, and as you can probably see here, with it being Whitby Gin and a coastal gin from Yorkshire, you can see the waves across the top of the bottle and the neck there, along with the absolute beautiful base that they've came up with in this design as well. Really nice looking bottle of gin. So this gin is called the Whitby Gin, and it's the Demeter edition, distilled in North Yorkshire with botanicals of sea and moorland. A tribute to the legendary ship which crashed onto the shores of Whitby one stormy night, allowing for the infamous Count Dracula to disembark. So in a future video we'll be having a look at some of the cocktails that come with this and what we're going to make. You obviously, as part of the box, you do get the gin magazine that comes with it. Gives you a little bit of a story around Whitby, the distillers and what they're about. You do get some other cocktails in there, some information on actually making a few different cakes or pastries or food along the way, and having a look through this. This isn't the cocktail of the month, but I absolutely love the look of this cocktail, and I think this is one that we'll have to make. So this is called the Transylvanian Silver. So I think personally that's one that I'll be keen to actually try out. But as far as the gin itself is concerned, we have the Perfect Pour Gin and Tonic on here, and then the cocktail of the month, which is called Full Moon Fizz. So as I say, within the craft gin box you do get everything you need in order to be able to make the cocktail of the month, and also to be able to make the perfect gin and tonic. So we'll go through and we'll get them made as well, and we'll put up some pictures and a little demonstration of those cocktails getting made. There are lots of different cocktails also in the book as well. I'll put a list of all the cocktails into the description below. If there's one that really takes your fancy and you really want to see how you go about making that particular cocktail or what's involved in the ingredients, do let us know in the comments below. The more comments we get on them, the more we'll get the cocktail made for yourselves. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell so you can catch up on our future updates on this, what will be an absolutely fabulous gin. Thank you, and hope to see you again soon.